Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is Cluster and Deviations for Black Box Recursion Testing of Database Applications. Let me see the abstract. Recursion testers often result in many deviations. Difference between two system versions, either due to changes or recursion fault. For the tester to analyze such deviations efficiently, it would be helpful to accurately group them such that each group contains deviations representing one unique change or recursion fault. Because it is unlikely that a general solution to the above problem can be found, we focus our work on a common type of software system. Then database applications, we investigate the use of clustering based on database manipulations and test specifications from test models to group recursion test deviations according to the fault of changes, guessing them. Then we also propose adjustment criteria based on the concept of entropy to compare alternatively clustering strategies. To validate our approach, we ran a large-scale industrial case study, and our result showed that our clustering approach can indeed serve as an accurate strategy for grouping recursion test deviations. Among the 4 test components, adjusted deviations were clustered perfectly for 2 of them, while for the other 2, the clusters means is called grouping. Okay, so where all homogeneous. Our analysis suggests that this approach can significantly reduce the effort spent by tester in analyzing recursion test deviations, increase their level of confidence, and therefore make recursion testing more scalable. Let me see the DFT in our project. So start the process and to get the application name, file name, and to select in our file into system to display the file path. To file path to grade the assign ID and the test case ID, then test case, and to give the frequency, so calculate frequencies to stored in the database. Again clustering into categories, in 2 categories. First one is a test case 1, second one is a test case 2. Test case 1 and test case 2 combined in the to check the parameter and to identify the best test case to compare the test cases weight. So periodical analysis in test case 1 or 2. So cluster deviations, what are the deviations means in the similarities based research in the test case 1 and test case 2. So the process is end. Thank you. Let me see the run our project. Project is clustering deviations for black box recursion testing of database applications in data mining domain. First of all, clustering and deviations. The next step is applications. To select the file, so file upload, to click the file upload control to choose our document file, then this file fixed in our projects. So document file only upload this content. So our documents display in a rich text box. Next process is view the file details, then application name, file 1, then file 2. Next is a file path, so to view upload the file. For example, access these files to display the file path t colon, then which folder, then extensions again, and assign ID. So test case ID TC008, then test case ID 1, test case is TG008, then generate successfully inserted. Okay, again add to display the test case ID and test cases to display. Then next process is calculate the test case frequency, then view test case frequency. For example, frequency means point values to accept this. So 0.8768 calculate, then inserted and view to display the test case and frequency. Again other process is clustering test cases. To display the similarity test case 1 then test case 2. Next process is enter the G best value, then to produce the value and pronominate, then G best value similarity test case 1 then test case 2. Again to produce the test case weight, then test case again our weight. Another process is periodization, then test case then periodicity. Last one is a graph. The process is end.